What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 7 best steam cleaner of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 7. Wagner Spraytech Steam Vacuum Cleaner. The Wagner Spraytech is an extremely versatile cleaning tool that excels at removing debris and dirt from a variety of surface types, in addition to doubling as a good option for a chemical-free solution to the problem of wallpaper removal. There are also attachments included for window cleaning, cleaning brass ornaments, and more. We love the large 48-ounce water tank, which allows the cleaner to operate for over 45 minutes before needing a refill, and though the tank does allow for nearly an hour of use, this cleaner does take around 10 minutes to heat through, so be sure to plan accordingly. Also, this is a fairly compact and lightweight design, but it must be plugged in to operate. Number 6. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Vacuum Cleaner. This McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner comes in at a value-friendly price while offering a superb feature set, including the ability to steam clean a large variety of surface types, including hardwood floors, cement, tiles, and laminate. The large 48-ounce water tank allows for 45 minutes of consistent use before needing a refill, and this vacuum ships with a bevy of useful attachments, including a long hose, a steam jet nozzle, a squeegee, and more. Though this steam cleaner does an excellent job with harder surface types, it is not intended for cleaning carpets, so take that into consideration before making a purchase. Additionally, this vacuum must be plugged in during operation, though it does include a lengthy power cable, just like with the best car vacuum cleaners. Number 5. Bissell Symphony Steam Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Symphony is extremely simple to control via an integrated digital interface and a handle that is highly adjustable along 5 positions. This cleaner can effortlessly switch between steam cleaning and vacuuming with just a push of a button, and the quick-release mop pad tray makes general maintenance a breeze. Proprietary dry tank technology also keeps the debris tank dry as you clean, which additionally speeds up general maintenance. This Bissell steam cleaner does work with the company's own mop pads, and they wear out fairly quickly, though 4 of these pads are included with the initial purchase. Also, this steam mop and vacuum hybrid cleaner is excellent at cleaning hard surface types, such as tiling and kitchen floors, but isn't designed to effectively clean carpeting and rugs. Number 4. Costway Multi-Purpose Steam Vacuum Cleaner. This cleaner by Costway is packed with robust safety features, including a child safety lock and a sensor that will automatically turn the vacuum off if steam pressure gets too high. The design allows for a maximum steam temperature of 226 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for disinfecting surfaces, and the large 51-ounce water tank allows this vacuum cleaner to operate continuously for nearly an hour on a single tank of water. This model also ships with a number of useful attachments and accessories, including extension tubes and an ironing brush. Though this cleaner does an adequate job on carpeting, thanks to the included adapter, it doesn't do as good a job on thick rugs or shag carpeting due to limitations in the design. Additionally, this steam vacuum cleaner requires regular maintenance, such as purchasing and installing cloth microfiber pads. Number 3. Hoover SmartWash Steam Vacuum Cleaner. The Hoover SmartWash is simply a fantastic steam cleaner for households that have multiple pets, as it features a handy spot stain removal function and the ability to pre-treat highly trafficked areas. The company's proprietary FlexForce power brushes excel at removing debris and odors alike, and the heat force drying technology helps carpeting eliminate moisture after cleaning. There are also integrated sensors built into this vacuum that lets it automatically switch between cleaning and drying, which can be useful. Though both the cleaning solution and pretreatment solution are included in this package, they are trial sizes and, as such, are on the smaller side. You may need the best carpet cleaner detergent for the removal of stains and all-round maintenance tasks. Also, this vacuum must be plugged in to operate, though the included power cable is over 20 feet in length. Number 2. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3. The Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3 eliminates the need for a commercial-grade carpet steam cleaner rental, thanks to the high-end features available in this model that is available to own. The integrated vibrating scrub brushes excel at dislodging dirt and debris from carpeting, and the powerful motor cleans individual strands of carpeting, helping to reduce the drying time after use. This steam vacuum cleaner for carpets is also built to easily handle pet-related messes and odors with a high-grade extraction-based motor. This is a professional-grade steam vacuum cleaner and, as such, it is on the heavier side, clocking in at around 50 pounds, which is much heavier than some of the top-rated Dyson vacuums. The vac does feature integrated wheels that are sturdy on all surface types, so it isn't that difficult to lug it around in between cleaning sessions. This is one of the best carpet cleaners. Number 1. Hoover FH50150 Vacuum Cleaner. The Hoover FH50150 Power Scrub Deluxe is a fantastic steam cleaner versus vacuum cleaner that absolutely excels at shampooing, washing and drying carpet and other surface types. We loved the powerful spin brushes that rotate 360 degrees and are great at dislodging stubborn dirt and debris. This steam vac also ships with a number of useful accessories and attachments, including a lengthy hose that is 8 feet long, a stair tool, and an upholstery tool, among other items. Though this steam cleaner does ship with a bottle of proprietary shampoo, it is intended for demo use only and, as such, is extremely small. Also, there are no internal batteries here, so the vacuum must be plugged in during use, though the integrated power cable is nearly 20 feet long. You might need to look into the best stick vacuum that combines an efficient motor with a powerful battery that keeps the vac going long enough to clean your house. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.